Do you find it hard to free pour the oil out of the container without spilling it? Welcome back to your home garage. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate an easy and effective way to pour the oil without a funnel. In some situations, the oil fill cap is in an awkward spot, and without a funnel, it makes it really difficult to free pour without making a mess. This one's not all that bad, but every vehicle is a little different. And if you don't keep a spare funnel in the vehicle or something to make a temporary one, then you'll just have to settle for a bit of a mess, unless you have the hands of a surgeon. Now, did you know that the oil dipstick is a great tool to help you get started with a slow and clean pour until you get enough out of the container to continue doing it freely and more quickly? All you need to do is place the oil dipstick in the fill cap and pour the oil onto it. As you can see, the dipstick guides the oil. As soon as the oil gets low enough in the container to free pour, then do so. Or if you just feel more comfortable with the dipstick method, then continue until the container is fully empty. And keep in mind, this technique is totally situational and works very well when you don't have a funnel handy. There you have it. No more oil spill in the engine bay when you take your time and use the oil dipstick to help with the top up. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Also, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on Your Home Garage.